This is a demo of an experiment we've been working on at Callaway called Apex Agents. It's a Salesforce native implementation of the React technique for prompting large language models to accomplish complex tasks. It also borrows some clever tricks from popular libraries like LangChain and AutoGPT. At a high level, this technique works by providing the agent with a list of tools it may use to accomplish the task. You then ask the agent to reason, plan, and take action. The agent's action is read by your program and evaluated. The result is sent back to the model, and this continues until the task has been accomplished. In this example, we've asked the agent to 1. Research a company on the internet. 2. Create a Salesforce account, but only if it does not already exist. 3. Find key employees and create related contacts. 4. Send a notification to the current user with a summary when complete. The agent has decided that its first action is to search the internet to find details on the company. Next, it searches Salesforce to check if the company already exists. When this returns no results, it continues with the creation of the account. It then tries to use the Search in Web Page tool to find team members on the company website, but this action fails to return relevant information. The agent runs another internet search and is able to find employee information. A contact is created for each employee and associated to the account. Finally, it sends a notification to the current user, letting them know the task has been completed. Clicking on the notification reveals that the account and contacts have been set up as asked. In this next demonstration, let's give the agent a harder task to see how they work through it. We will ask it to interact with custom objects and fields which it has no prior training on. Setup. We have 2 custom objects, Client Project and Project Invoice. The Client Project has an owner field that looks up to a contact on the account. The Client Invoice has fields for balance, sent date, and is parented to a client project. Task. First, query for past due invoices. Then for each invoice, send a past due email to the owner of the parent project. At first, the agent is perhaps too confident in its ability and attempts to guess the API names of the custom object. When this is unsuccessful, they run the getSObjects and getSObject fields actions to discover relevant metadata. Now that it has resolved the API names, it is able to successfully query the data and send the email. Creating new tools for the agent to leverage only requires implementing a simple interface. In fact, many of the existing tools were actually written by GPT-4. This library is currently available to install and try on the Apex Agents GitHub page, but it is still experimental and not recommended for production use. Thank you for watching this demo on Apex Agents. If you have any questions or want to learn more about AI application development, please contact us via our website, callawaycloud.com.